Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bittrex crypto exchange. Bittrex crypto exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange platform allowing users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. Its main purpose is to provide a marketplace for crypto trading, targeting both beginners and experienced traders. Key features include a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, order types, and trading tools. Their website provides details on fees and supported coins. Bittrex positions itself as a secure and reliable exchange with a focus on advanced trading options. They highlight their robust security measures and a user-friendly interface, though this is subjective. Their website details their fee structure, which is generally competitive, though specific costs depend on trading volume and the chosen crypto pair. They emphasize their advanced charting tools and order management capabilities. Availability is global. Although access may be restricted in certain jurisdictions, it's best to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bittrex. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The registration process was quick and easy, and the verification process, while thorough, didn't take excessively long. Navigating the interface was initially a bit daunting, given the sheer number of options and tools available. However, after spending some time familiarizing myself with the layout, I found it quite intuitive. I particularly appreciated the detailed order book and the ability to set advanced order types like stop-limit orders. The platform's performance was generally excellent. I experienced minimal lag or downtime during my trading activity. I did have a quick question about a specific fee, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was pretty helpful. I was really impressed by how much data was readily available on the charts. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for beginners. The platform's many features might feel overwhelming to someone new to crypto trading. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bittrex. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I felt secure using it. That's my overview of Bittrex crypto exchange. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.